But let's talk stocks. Nooresh, what are your stock ideas this Friday?
So going with two large caps which are showing clear strength. First is a buy on L&T. Continue to like the stock. The stock has now again come back closer to new 52-week highs and all-time highs. Even after this move, it is still a laggard compared to the rest of the names like ABB, Siemens, and other capital good names. The stock can break out about this 2420 life highs and go towards 2600 in the short term. A stop loss to be kept at 2350. Second is the buy on Bharti Airtel, which is making a classical cup and handle formation. 860 was the previous high. We recently saw it make 850 and a little spike on MSCI day, and now we are back closer to 843 yesterday. A breakout above 850 gives a target price of much higher levels, but for now, keeping a short-term target price of 920, stop loss at 830.
Okay, so those are the topics coming in. Interesting to see Bharti Airtel in that list. L&T, of course, has been sitting at life high levels. So the momentum there is expected to continue. Vinay, what are the stocks that you are recommending?
Yeah, so I also recommend a stock like Larsen. I agree with the Nooresh that technical structure is quite convincing. And if you were to see the yesterday's data in F&O, yesterday we saw a long build-up in the L&T. So despite weakness in the index and the mid-cap, small-cap segment, we saw this stock is continuously outperforming, and in derivative side, long build-up is getting. So Larsen technically as well as on the derivative front looking very strong and can outperform the overall Nifty stock. So we believe that Larsen can be, we can go long at this point of time. I'm recommending a June future to go long around 2420, which is yesterday's close. Keeping a stop loss at 2360, we can expect a target of 2500. So Larsen is looking good. The second stock which I like to short is the Gujarat gas. So Gujarat gas has been underperforming, and weekly chart it has been forming lower tops, lower bottom. Yesterday in the derivative front, we saw that 4% open interest was built up and price went down. So that means a short build-up was there in the Gujarat gas. So technical structure and derivative side, there is a clear indication that it looks weak. So I'm suggesting going short in Gujarat gas June future around 468 levels. Stop loss can be kept at 480 and target can be seen at 450. The mid-cap stock, which I would like to recommend for the, let's say, 2 to 3 days session is the sugar stocks, because yesterday's sugar stocks rallied quite well and closed on a very strong wicket. So one stock is there, which is Dalmia Sugar. So it has given a clear-cut breakout from the consolidation and long-term moving average has been taken out. So I believe Dalmia Sugar from the sugar space can do well positionally. So around 390, 391, one can go long. Positional traders can keep a stop loss at 375, and on the upside I see a target of 415. So we can expect a good upside in the sugar stocks. Some of them are looking very strong, and one of them are the Dalmia Sugar, and target is at 415, stop loss it at 375.